Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Confirm your PAN and Aadhaar names and date of birth match exactly, because mismatch is the most common blocker. Once done, log into the income tax e-filing portal using your PAN as user ID. You must use the mobile number linked to Aadhaar to receive OTP. Then click the Link Aadhaar option on the dashboard. These first actions ensure the system can verify you. Make sure your browser session is secure and pop-ups are allowed. You now enter your Aadhaar number and verify the displayed name. Type it exactly as on the Aadhaar card to avoid rejections. Next, request the OTP to the Aadhaar registered mobile. Once you receive it, enter it promptly because OTPs expire quickly. If the portal shows a masked mobile that you no longer control, choose the alternative flow. Either authenticate via Aadhaar eKYC or plan a correction at an Aadhaar enrollment center. These steps you finish by reviewing the confirmation screen. The portal will show a success message and a transaction ID. Save this screenshot or note it for records. If the system rejects the link, the usual causes are name or date of birth mismatches. In that case, update either PAN or Aadhaar records and retry. If problems persist despite matching data, contact the UIDAI helpline or visit a PAN/Aadhaar service center for manual resolution. Remember, correcting underlying data fixes most linkage issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.